Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to withdraw money from Binance in 3 ways. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to withdraw money from Binance, there's 3 ways to do this. So the first method is the easiest way. To withdraw your money from Binance is via your fiat to a bank card in the currency of your country. So basically, to do this, you must first convert the crypto of the currency of your country, and to do this, you just have to select trade here in your wallet. Just go to trading and spot, and then in the top right for computers, you'll have to go to write USDT or currency of your country. For example, Philippine peso, as you can see right here, and other things like that, USD or GBP. So you can change any crypto in this way, but for only the currency of your country. So just choose the pair, and then you have to scroll down to select your market and write the required amount to sell the USDT. So basically, if you want to sell, it's just how you do that, and then you transfer it to your bank card. So for this, the wallet, fiat and spot, then choose your currency, then withdraw. So this is not really available in all countries, so like mine, it's not available. So choose the most convenient option, then indicate the withdrawal amount, and then add a card or bank account, then you withdraw. So it's not available here, so I can't really show you guys. So there. So the second way to withdraw money from Binance is your external online exchange. So it's a safe and non-permanent commission. So the advantage of such method is that you can withdraw to any external crypto wallet without being noticed. So basically, to withdraw from the Binance on your computer, just repeat these steps. So first you go to your wallet, and then you go to fiat and spot, then withdraw crypto, then choose the right cryptocurrency. So basically just go for USDT, something like that, or BUSD. So these are just the analogous of dollar in the world of cryptocurrencies basically. So you don't overpay commission percentage and easily calculate the final amount. So choose a network to send it to. So here you will have to select your network like I said. So let's just go for BEP20 for the most efficient one. So basically, the sending and the receiving network must be the same. If the networks are different, you will simply lose your money and without possibly ever getting returned. So there you go. So the third method is the last one. So there's 3 ways for you to do this, like I said. The last one is withdrawal via Binance P2P. So in fact, this is an exchange between people through the Binance internal exchange. So it's important to do everything according to the instruction, that you are not deceived. So the principle of the operation itself is absolutely safe, and Binance acts as the guarantor of the transaction that you're doing. So basically, all you have to do is go to your Binance, your wallet, your funding wallet. So after that, you will have to find the necessary coin, and then in the 3 dots, you'll have to press transfer. So there. So the transfer is the required amount from the fiat and spot wallet. So there, here's your fiat and spot wallet into your funding wallet. So basically, there you go. Then only after you have go buy crypto, the P2P trading, you can choose your parameters, and I'll just show you an example. So for example, you want to sell, for an example, USDT, then you choose your currency, let's just say PHP, then the payment, the monobank, the bank you're gonna choose, then enter the required amount in the search in the final currency, then choose a seller according to the following criteria, and then you'll check for the details and then sell your USDT, then enter the amount right here as you can see, then sell it. Then basically that's just it. So those are just the 3 ways you can withdraw from Binance. And
If you find this tutorial useful, join Binance now by signing up with the link provided in the description box below to claim up to 200 USDT limited time trading fee credit. So that's it, and thank you for this video. See you again next time.